As me, you need to ask yourself a hard question. Am I really following Christ? Am I leading my family well? Am I serving others? Am I protecting what God has entrusted me? Does my life reflect Jesus? And you need to start with yourself and to say, before you start reading any self-help books, the best book you can read is the Bible.
Come on now. Preek, Papa. Preek.
So we want to,
like
before you listen to this podcast, before
Go
you
read the Bible.
share
Yeah.
our shorts on your WhatsApp
Yeah.
status,
Yeah.
read the Bible.
Yeah.
Go home and start serving your family. Ask your wife or your girlfriend or your parents, for that matter, start serving. If you want to find out what your purpose is, and if you're unsure about what your purpose is, start serving.
Beautiful.
God will show you your purpose while you are serving.
Yes. We need to have like one-liner T-shirts. Man.
Yeah.
Like
We'll start.
yes,
a
you're
merch
rocking
line
at
for
it.
this.
You're rocking at it
So
today.
if you're asking me for
Yeah.
a final thought, it will be a bit of I wouldn't want to land this softly.